guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your contact info on your LinkedIn profile. So once you're on LinkedIn, guys, simply click your profile on the left hand side. That's going to take you over to your profile, and here you will see right below your name you will see your address, and it will also say contact info, right? But in order to add this contact info, just simply click the pencil icon towards the right hand side of your profile. That's going to open up your profile in editing mode, and if you scroll down you will see a section that says your contact info, and you can click edit contact info. From here you'll be able to add your phone number as you wish. So if I go ahead and add whatever phone number I want here, I can also go ahead and select the phone type that I want it to be, home, mobile, or whatever. I'm going to basically add something, so let's say 421, and I'm gonna just make up some number, something like that, and let's just say I want this to be my home phone, and that's it. You can add your address as well. You can set your birth date if you want, so you can basically put whatever. I'm gonna make something here as well, and yeah, we can basically add that as well. You can add your website if you have a website. You can add that, and add your instant messaging there as well. Once you're finished, simply click on save, and it's gonna save the information there on your account. And yeah, you can just always go back and check those information to see how they are. You can always go back and click edit to add them in if you want to change something. Whenever you're ready, you can always go ahead and just simply click on save, and it's going to save that information there on your account. So once you do that, guys, if someone want to see your contact details, they'll be able to see that. And if you check your contact info, you will see when you click the contact info button, it will show your phone number, your email address, and all those stuff, all those details there about you on your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.